Hello, welcome to the class of Wireshark. Today we are going to discuss about the packet coloring rules. So here in Wireshark, Wireshark colors the packets based upon a default set of coloring rules which it defines in the coloring rules windows. So here you can see I have captured some packet and you can analyze this packet. Some packets are in red color, some are in gray color and some are in black color. So these packets are colorized according to the coloring rules defined in this Wireshark. So you can detect these colors about these colors from here. You just click over to this and in frame dissection you just go to this coloring rules and the coloring rules shrink. So here this particular packet 11, here it's a coloring rule name is TCP reset and the coloring rule string or the filter is TCP.flag.reset equals to 1. Same way if you click over to this packet, its coloring rule is TCP sync or finish and the coloring rule filter is TCP.flag and 0 into 02 or TCP.flags.finish equals to 1. So these packets are colorized according to this coloring rule defined here in Wireshark. So next, if you want to analyze this coloring rule, you just go to view option and you have to just click over to the coloring rule. So here you can just analyze, there are many packet names and their filters, associated filters. Like this bad TCP packets must be in black in color. Same way HSRP state change, spanning tree topology, OSPF state change, ICMP errors. So these all packets are in black in color. So if these packets appear in this trace file, they are mentioned as in this black color. Same way this TCP reset, HTTP aborts or TTL low or unexpected, these packets must be in red in color. These DCERPC packets must be in purple color, so on. So these packets are defined here, how these packets are colorized in this trace file. So in this window you can enable, disable, or you can create some new filter, new coloring rules or delete some coloring rules. So according to your need you can enable, like you want to enable this ARP packet or disable, you just click over to this check off. This will disable this ARP coloring rule. As you click over to it, it will enable this coloring rule. So as you click over to this that TCP checkbox and you just click over to this all, just disable this and click over to the OK option. So from here you can just analyze these packets, remove the colors from the packets that are bad TCP packets or ICMP error packets. So again you want to get these colors packet, again you just click over, you just enable this. So as you click over to the OK, it will display these black colors in this packet. So this is about how we can enable and disable these coloring rules. And next to it, again go to this coloring rule. Next, if you want to create some new coloring, so you just go to this plus sign. Here you have to define the filter, like I want this TCP.port equals to 80 or UDP.port equals to 80. I want to filter this packet or colorize this packet. So just give it a name, TCP or UDP, and you have to just change its background color. So first of all, change its background color to the orange, click over to OK. Next to it, you just select it and click over to the OK option. So here you can analyze these TCP packets or UDP packets having the port number 80 are colorized in orange form. So this is how we can add the color or create some new coloring rules. Same way, if you want to create another coloring rule, you just click over to this option, and same way you have to click over to this, and here you have to define it coloring rule, like you want to add some color to the DNS package. You just click here, write DNS. Same way you have to write here DNS and just change its background color. You want its background color to be like this color, so you just click on to the OK option and next to the OK. So you can see that here the DNS packets are in green color, so these are enabled in the green color. So this is how we can add these colors to this. So next, if you want to remove the color from here, so as you want to remove this DNS color, you just select this and click over to this minus sign, which is for deleting these coloring rules. So here we can delete this coloring rules. So this option is used to create the addition or editing in this particular coloring rules. So, or as we create here the duplicate copy of this, and we can edit these filters from here. So if you want to delete it, just select it and click over to this sign. So this is how we can enable, disable, add or delete this coloring rules. So next to it, if you want to colorize some single packets, you have to just go to the option. As I want to colorize some these, just I want to colorize this DNS packet. So as I click over to this DNS packet, and next to it I have to just go to view option. Next to it is colorize rule, and I want to add this color to this. So as I filter out this DNS packet, so you can see that these two packets which I have colorized, so this is the query of the request packet and this is the response for this request packet. So these packets are colorized according to this form. So these are the temporary colors, and temporary colors rules are in effect until you switch over to the profile, you close the Wireshark or you remove them manually. So if you want to remove these colors, you just go select this and then go to this colorized conversation and just click over to option reset colorization. So in this way it will remove these temporary color from here. So this is how we can add we can make the addition in this coloring packet coloring rules. Thank you.